Quarantine cooking, DANIAN VREUGD, episode 6. And today we're making pancakes. Let's go.
Oh God, it's so good. So good.
So what we need to make pancakes is pancake mix, milk and eggs. And then of course you have some of these options to make it even more delicious. So now we're gonna fill this up with 850 milliliters of milk. And that's almost 900, but it's okay. I will put it a little bit back. And then we have 850. And now we're putting the pancake mix in this big bowl. And we add some water, almost half of it. Like half of the milk we have right now. So let's do that.
Get me out of here.
And now we're gonna add the milk. So while everything is mixing right now, we're gonna add the 2 eggs to the mix. And then after that, we're gonna add the rest of the milk too. So we do that right now. So now the mix is ready and we can bake it. So we're gonna do that right now.
Get me out of here. Get me out of here.
Yeah.
Get me out of here. Get me out of here.
DANIAN VREUGD, Quarantine Cooking, episode 6? What episode is it? It's 6, right? I don't know. Yo, Quarantine Cooking. Blah, blah, blah.
Side to side.